Welcome to Growth Hacks. Today's topic Books and Authors. Question 1. Who is the author of the book The Discovery of India? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Second question. Which among the following books was written by Vikram Seth? Answer A Suitable Boy. Question 3. Mahabharata was written by Answer Vedvyas. Question 4. The story of My Experiments with Truth is the autobiography of which among the following writers? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. 5. The autobiography of Abdul Kalam Azad is India Wins Freedom. Question 6. Who wrote the book White Tiger? Answer Aravind Adiga. Question 7. Salman Rushdie won the Booker Prize for which book? Answer Midnight's Children. Question 8. Which among the following books describes the love of Krishna for Radha written by Jayadev? Answer Geet Govind. Geet Govind is the book which describes the love of Krishna for Radha, and the book is written by Jayadev. 9. Harsha Charita, the biography of King Harshavardhana, was written by Answer Bana Bhatta. 10. Which one of the following is a recipient of Booker Prize 2020 for the novel Shuggie Bain? The novel Shuggie Bain, written by Douglas Stewart, received Booker Prize in the year 2020. Eleventh question. The book titled Loktandra Ke Swar, Loktandra Ke Swar, is the compilation of speeches of which Indian leader? Answer Ramnath Govind. 12. The autobiography written by Indian boxer MC Mary Kom is? Answer Unbreakable. 13. Which book was written by Gandhiji on his political guru Gopala Krishna Gokhale? Answer Gokhale, My Political Guru. 26. What is the title of seventh and final book in Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling? Answer The Deathly Hallows. The last series of Harry Potter, The Deathly Hallows. 27. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland is an English novel written by which author? Answer Lewis Carroll. 28. Name the author of the book Godan. Godan, written by Munshi Premchand. 29. Who is the author of the book named A Tale of Two Cities? Answer Charles Dickens. 30. Who is the author of the book Malgudi Days? Answer R.K. Narayan. Who wrote Gulliver's Travel? Answer Jonathan Swift. Gulliver's Travel is written by Jonathan Swift. 32. The author of the famous Harry Potter series is? Answer J.K. Rowling. 33. Whose autobiography name is Mein Kampf? Answer Adolf Hitler. 34. Who wrote the famous The Jungle Book. Answer Rudyard Kipling. 35. The longest play of William Shakespeare is Hamlet. 36. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of which among the following? Answer Nelson Mandela. 37. The Diary of a Young Girl was written during World War II by Annie Frank. 38. Who is the author of Geetanjali? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Thanks for watching.